mga kagingging, uban ko ninyo karon magsuri-suri ta sa Cebu Safari Adventure and Park. So karon uban ko ninyo aron ipakita na ko ninyo ug unsay naa sa Cebu Safari. So let's start. So first thing we did, because we are from the island, so nisakay mi og barko, the Jumaria Shipping Corporation from the island to Danao. Sa mong pliti sa barko for adult is 360 pesos, and for the motorcycle, since nagdala mi og motorcycle, amo ang bayad is 800 pesos with pliti na sa driver. So from Danao, nildiretso mi sa Carmen, and then nag-stop over mi for our breakfast, and after that, diretso na mi sa Safari Adventure and Park. Entrance pa lang daan, nindot na, very jungle ang vibe. So, let's go! Then, let's see if unsay nasa sud. Pagkabot na mo, diretso mi sa information para ibili ng amo ang mga gamit. Then, after that, nagbayad na mi og ticket. So, for regular ticket, 1,300 pesos for the white lion, savannah, all of the animals, wild animals, while the package A and B, 2,300 pesos, including the extreme rides. So, nasa na yung mga giant swing, unsa pa na diha nga mga rides ng inyong ganahan. Let's go! Let's start our adventure for today.
Sama na to ang sakyan. Grabe kang estimator gid na kayo ang ilang kwan guys. So nila pina ang kids ko.
So this is our first stop, the garden.
Asa dapit? Ay, sa dapit sa ano? Wow. Ari pa mga picture to the ari pa nila pa.
So after ninyo busy tanaw-tanaw sa mga klase-klaseng mga orchids, mga cactus, mga fishes, ug unsa pa na diha, then pwede na ka mo go sa imuhang next nga stop. Moadto lang ka sa mga bus stop nila para makaride na ka for your next adventure. So ang imong mga kakuyog sa imuhang first stop, which is the garden, pwede dili na to imuhang kakuyog for your next nga mga adventure.
Balik na dapit mo nang diri. Gazibutan ta diri pala may man pa ni waterfalls. Ate! Super ganda.
Ay, ito ang Higson.
Wala, nice pa.
So this is our next stop, the different kinds of birds. So makita niyo mo diri ang mga klase nga mga langgam, ilang mga salag, ilang mga Pinoy-anan. And also na sila bird feeding nga di allow the birds to nga mopatong sa imong ulo, sa imong kamot, as long as nakagigunitan nga pagkaon nila like watermelon and uban pang klase nga mga fruits.
Ate! Mana yung sag sa kuan? Sayaw. Wow! Dara love! Oh, look love! Nasaan mong utubangan? Ha? Ate, dali! Hmm? Han. Oo, lagyan na. Silang kinaon. Beans?
Nagtab nito.
Ala, ang warm oh.
Aray. Okay, dara. Maintro na ano gusto. Smile, tanaw. Kita na ni Mami.
Love, picture na. Net, gano'n net. Gano'n tarong kay ala, gidaget.
Kung manang 50 pa nung
Tara, let's go, let's go. Bye-bye.
Ada ka mo doon.
Tara lang.
Our next stop will be the white lion. We're so excited to see the white lion in real life.
Alat si Papa. Balikan din yan.
Sanap lang kaya na dali ubol doon. Dali. Ready?
Sit down.
Mabuhay and good morning everyone. Welcome to White Lion Safari. I'm your guide for this ride and my name is Anthony. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the truck is moving. Secure hold to the bars and please don't extend your fingers outside the bag. And lastly, no using of plastic bottles. So inside, we have 3 lions, namely Max, Gang, and Toy. They were bred and raised in captivity from France, but they are originated from South Africa. Now you can take stand back para mo take pictures.
Ala. Naya, ni manak. Hala, kadahang lovebird. De. Koy. Koy. Ini tanong tagal. Apa, lasin ay kukudalig ko. Hala, sige pangit eh.
Tira man, ma'am. Ang papa.
Hala, ay, ay, ay. Ayaw ba?
Ano? Turang langgam na po.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Introducing your host for today, Mr. Dustin.
Hi, mabuhay! Good morning, everyone! So, how's everybody doing today? Are you all good? Again. So first, he picks up the crumpled paper, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good job, buddy. Now for the second one, he picks up the plastic cup, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good bird. Now for the last one, he picks up the can, walks all the way, open the bin, and he drop it inside. Nice job, buddy. Now see, if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash on your trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. Now Amigo, together with his fine feathered friends, has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. Now, we have a total of 6 blue and gold flying macaws named Harry, Harvey, Matt, Tony, Kyle, and Carl. Now, macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning, if they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Their main diet, it consists of fruits, palm fruits, nuts, seeds, leaves, flowers, and stems. Now, this bird, they can grow up to... He picks up the letter I. Now, for the third one, he picks up the letter G. Good bird. How about the next letter? He picks up the letter E. Now, for the last one, he picks up the letter R. Now, tiger spells Tiger. Is it correct? Alright, now since Jumbo did well on the first test, we will make it more difficult. Let's proceed to mathematical tests in addition form. Now, I need 2 numbers from 1 to 10. Can you raise your hands or hand sign, please? Okay, I see your 5. How about on this side? Higher than 5. Alright, I see your 9. 5 plus 9. Now, this type of behavior showcases their intelligence, curiosity, social nature, and how quickly they can learn. In fact, macaws are often compared to a 4-year-old children because of how they think and act. Now, let's proceed here again to Miss Debbie to ask more questions about Jumbo. Now, Miss Debbie, what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Varieties of fruit, seeds, and vegetables.
So, Jumbo's favorite foods are a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Next question, Miss Debbie. What are Jumbo's favorite subject? English and math. Last question, Miss Debbie. Where did Jumbo love to go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Now let's see how good he is at math. Jumbo, what is 5 plus 9? Good luck, buddy. Alright, how about for the first number? He picks up the number 1. Now, for the last number. Last one, buddy. He picks up the number 4. Now, 5 plus 9 is equals to 14. Is it correct? So, round of applause to our Green Wing Makoni, Jumbo. Now, at this moment, I need our couple seniors name, Ding and Dong. Now, seniors, they are monogamous type of bird, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when the partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. They're also monomorphic, meaning both male and female share the same physical.
Ay, baban.
Oh, look, very cute oh, ni Baba ang iyang
Bye-bye.
anak love daw. Kita ka, be? Healthy sila na kay mga
Arms and heads outside of the cup. And lastly, don't use flash photography and selfie sticks. So here inside, we have 8 antelopes and our highlight here is zebra. Okay, you can now stand up, sir, to take a picture po. So those are the water buck, a reddish brown antelope with shaggy hair under their neck and a white circular ring on their rump. The use of that white ring is a follow me sign. Their body emits an oil which acts as a water repellent and defense mechanism to males have horn with females having slightly slimmer ones. They can grow up to 150 to 180 centimeter in height. Despite of their cute size, they're still considered as a fast runner here in Savannah as they can run 80 kilometers.
Wala gid. Init.
Hey, the baby.
Wala nga sila nakapariban may. Ukra yung ton. Bato.
Igsoon sa kuya ni kuan ko, Risa.
Kalayat ka pa na ani. No? Pagkasakam ginit kahoy.
Tumbok ka ra ba?
Yung duwa namin.
So I'll give you a quick room tour sa Sampaguita Suites. This is for 1,298 pesos. So TV, small cabinet, the bed, and bedside table. So with this one, side bedside table, and then window, and see outside, and then a vanity here and CR. Okay, very small lang siya. Ref. Look, I don't know what's inside.
So after Samon Cebu Safari, we check in sa Sampaguita Suites and by 6 o'clock we decided to go to Taps. So we decided nga ato mag-dinner sa Taps but for some reason, wa mi naka-dinner dito tungod sa kadaghan og tao. So if I rate Taps no from 1 to 10, tungod sa kadaghan sa tao, di kayo nimo ma-enjoy ang view, di ka makakaon dito tungod sa grabe kadaghan nga tao. Maybe because weekend miniadto, so Saturday night miniadto, so daghan kayo turista or local ang mga tao tuan nagtapok sa Taps. So I rate Taps 7 out of 10.
Ano ba sa kalagay?
Ano na mabaw?
Gamotos kayo doon
So, ito gabay nga isla?
Mo nang mag-hired tanawon diri no kay hired kayo.
Thấy cái cục trắng không?